Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. And today's video we are going to look at continuous integration in DevOps. Continuous integration is a vital part of DevOps, ensuring smooth and efficient software development and delivery. In this video, we will explore the top 10 best practices for continuous integration in DevOps, along with examples illustrating each point. These practices will help teams streamline their development process, increase productivity, and deliver high-quality software faster. Number 1. Automate build process. Automating the build process eliminates manual errors and ensures consistent builds. Tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, or Travis CI can be employed to automatically compile, test, and package the application. Number 2. Maintain version control. Version control systems like Git enable teams to track changes, collaborate efficiently, and revert to previous versions if necessary. Branching strategies such as Git flow promote parallel development and facilitate CI workflows. Number 3. Write comprehensive test. Comprehensive unit integration and end-to-end test are crucial to identify bugs early. Leveraging frameworks like JUnit, PyTest, or Selenium, developers can validate code changes and catch regressions before merging. Number 4. Run test automatically. Integrate test into the CI pipeline, triggering them on each code commit. Tools like Jenkins or GitLab CI/CD can automatically run test suites, providing immediate feedback on code quality. Monitor code coverage. Track code coverage metrics to ensure adequate test coverage. Tools like Jacoco or Istanbul generate reports highlighting untested code, enabling teams to focus on improving coverage. Number 6. Use containerization. Containerization tools like Docker enable consistent environments across the development, testing, and production phases. CI can build and deploy applications in containers, ensuring consistency and reducing deployment issues. Number 7. Continuous deployment. Automate the deployment process to rapidly and reliably push changes to production. Tools like Kubernetes or AWS Code Deploy enable continuous deployment, facilitating the delivery of new features and bug fixes. Number 8. Implement continuous feedback. Leveraging tools like SonarQube or Code Climate to analyze code quality, identify technical debt, and provide feedback to developers. Continuous feedback fosters a culture of improvement and drives code quality standards. Collaborate effectively. Utilize collaboration platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams to foster effective communication among team members. Instant messaging, notifications, and integrations can enhance collaboration and promote transparency. Number 10. Monitor and log applications. Implement monitoring tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or Elk Stack to track application performance, identify issues, and gather insights into optimization. Logging helps troubleshoot problems and supports future improvements. Continuous integration is a fundamental aspect of successful DevOps practices. By following these top 10 best practices, teams can streamline their CI processes, improve code quality, and deliver software faster and more reliably. Embracing automation, comprehensive testing, collaboration, and feedback loops will lead to more efficient development workflows and better outcomes for developers and end users.